Meet your new coworker. It's not a person but a powerful tool designed to make your work life easier and more efficient. Imagine having a colleague who never takes a break, never gets tired, and is always ready to assist you with any task at hand. It never sleeps, never complains, and is always available, even during those late-night crunch times when deadlines are looming. This new coworker can handle repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on more creative and strategic work. It finishes reports in seconds, processes data at lightning speed, and provides insights that would take humans hours, if not days, to compile. Imagine the productivity boost this brings to your daily routine. From writing emails to designing logos, AI is capable of handling a wide range of tasks. It can draft professional emails, create stunning graphics, and even help with complex design projects. AI is sliding into your 9-to-5 seamlessly, integrating into your workflow witut even asking for a desk. It's like having an invisible assistant who is always there to help, without even asking for a desk. This new coworker doesn't need a physical space. It operates in the digital realm, making it incredibly versatile and adaptable to any work environment. It's helping doctors spot diseases, lawyers prep cases, and professionals across various fields enhance their capabilities. In healthcare, AI can analyze medical images and assist in diagnosing conditions with remarkable accuracy. And creators edit videos? Yep, even this one. In the creative industry, AI tools are revolutionizing the way content is produced, making video editing faster and more intuitive. The question isn't whether you'll work with AI. It's already here, transforming the way we work and live. The real question is how you will leverage this powerful technology to your advantage. It's not a matter of if, but when. The integration of AI into our daily tasks is inevitable, and those who embrace it will find themselves ahead of the curve. Because your next teammate doesn't drink coffee. It doesn't need breaks or downtime. Instead, it runs on data, constantly learning and improving to better assist you. It runs on data. And with every interaction, it becomes more efficient, more accurate, and more indispensable to your work life. The future of AI is bright, promising endless possibilities for innovation and growth. Embrace it, and watch your potential soar.